So today I'm going to attempt to replace one of the top screen here. This last one. So it has a rip on this side already. It's going to be a little trick. Yeah, so I'm not looking forward. This is my first attempt to replace. Like I said, those one in the middle, it will be much harder to replace. So I'm gonna just experiment with this one. Yep, so this is the one that has a rip right here. Alright, wish me luck. It's gonna be some trick here. Okay, so far the challenge I see is having the tall enough ladder. Because right now I'm using an 8-foot step ladder, and my height is only get to the top level of the frame here, and it's gonna be a problem because that's not enough leverage, and it could be dangerous doing that. Okay. Yep. So something that you have to consider, because yeah, because it's not a good platform to work on. So instead of using these multi-step ladder, yeah, I'm gonna attempt to open up the full length and go up with it, yeah, to get me better leverage. And then you have to move the ladder along the way. But yeah, you can see my setup here. It's not adequate to be able to work on it. So I'm using a straight ladder. It's kind of a little bit better, so I can reach up there to work with. Yeah, but it's still not ideal. Probably some kind of, platform high enough to work on it. This one, it might be doable, but I just have to take a lot of time moving the ladder along the way and work a little bit at a time. So we'll see what happens. But so far, I think this may be a possible solution right now. So here's some thinking. Before you put on the screen, I guess the track where the spline goes in, I hope you can see that better. Yeah, over time it's getting pretty dirty. So what I'm thinking is, if you can, probably try to clean it out before you place the new screen on it. And then the support beam over there, yeah, which the screen kind of covers. Probably best to clean it now, or use a rag or something, clean out the mold or the built-up before you put the new screen on it. Yeah, because it's harder, to once you put the screen on it, to clean the support beam. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Come to think a bit around the track here, I'm using a toothbrush and a long brush maybe. Hopefully I can get into it, but a better method, probably if you have compressed air, you can probably do a better job cleaning in there. Something to think about. So brush seems to be doing okay. Yeah, it's not just it. Yep, and this is you doing it for yourself, so I'm not sure if you hire somebody, they would take the time to do this or not. Right. I'm trying to clean up the mold here, so it's hard to see. Okay, you can see that. Yep. It's easier to clean now. Yeah, because I tried to pressure clean it and it cannot get underneath this very well. So, like I said, it's probably best to do it now. Yep, the moldy is very strong smell, so just be careful. Okay. Okay, it's all cleaned up, so now I'm ready to install the screen out. So I'm gonna try to use the single ladder, step ladder. It seemed like inside I can reach a little bit better and see what happened. Hopefully it's a more stable platform. If not, then I'll have to move. It's coming along slowly but surely. Yeah, I'm just going down, nice and easy. I'm almost more than halfway done, so I got one more side to do, 1.5 side left to do. So it's pretty much all done here on this piece. All I need to do left is trim these extra piece on the side. But overall, the result, it looks okay. Yeah, so hindsight, I guess this will depend a lot on the screen quality. I would recommend trying to get the best quality as you can. This particular screen is made by Enclosure Screen, and it's not very quality, I don't think. It's probably the standard window or a mesh screen, and I don't think that would withstand. But at least, you know, I get to try it out and see how it feels like. And I want to see how long it lasts. But overall, that's how it's look like. Alright, thank you for watching.